Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It is Tianna. If you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you are returning, hey boo. As you can see, I do look a little bit different. That is because your girl is rocking a headband wig. I love it. She's beautiful, she's soft, she's long, she's giving what she said she was supposed to give, okay? So shout out Luvme Hair. They sent me over a headband wig to review for you guys, and I am in love. That's all I can say. So we're gonna get right into the video. If you guys want to see the specs on the hair, keep on watching. I got a discount code for you guys for some coins off if you want to check it out. Everything will be linked down below. And yes, let's get into the video. Don't mind me right now, I'm looking a little bit crazy. If you didn't know, from my last video, I dyed my hair orange. After I dyed my hair orange, it got severely damaged. My hair used to be so healthy, and then after I dyed it orange, it went downhill from there. The upkeep with the orange hair was just too much on my natural hair. She did not like it, so I dyed her brown. That helped, I guess, a little bit, but after I dyed her brown, I decided to get a sew-in, you know, a little protective style on my curls. I left some leave-out out. As you can see right here, it's like completely straight. It will not go back curly. All back here is pretty much curly, and this is natural state. There's no product in it, no nothing. It's just washed and dried naturally. So it's all curly all around my head. And then where I left my leave out, she's straight. She needs to go bye-bye. She needs to grow, okay? But yeah, it's only like my root up here that curls, and then the rest is completely straight. So I'm so happy to do today's video because I've been wanting to try a headband wig for the longest time, and I think this is gonna be my solution until my hair grows back out and I can chop this off up here. There's my background story on why I wanted to try a headband wig. So first, I wanna show you guys the packaging. We just got a package. We just got a package. I wonder who it's from. It's from Luvme Hair. Shout out them. They sent me over a beautiful headband wig. Ooh, they sent me over some goodies. So I believe this is a whole bunch of headbands. So we have options. We have options. And then they sent this other cute little goodie bag. It's like this cute iridescent little bag. I believe this is a little scarf, a cute little edges scarf. They sent a brush for your edges, cute little Luvme hair clip, some bobby pins, and some tweezers. Not too sure what this little band is, but that was also in there. They also put a wig cap in the box. And then the wig, it's in this cute little drawstring bag. So here's the wig, and she's in a little net that they put over it. Okay, look at the color. Oh my gosh, these highlights are fire. I love the little blondish highlights in the brown, and it's so soft and bouncy. Look at that. So she already comes with this curl in it. I think I want to straighten it though, because I don't know, I just want straight hair. Yeah, I'm just feeling straight hair today, so. But oh my gosh, look at the color. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. It has these clips on the inside, so there's 3 on top, 1 in the back, the headband around, and then it has the Velcro. Before I put her on, I'm going to, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I'm just gonna put 2 braids to the back so it's a little flatter. I don't care how these look underneath this wig, child. I don't care about this part. I'm gonna make it do what it do. Here's a little nappy. I'm gonna take a little bit of coconut oil. Okay, same thing with this side. I'm just gonna make a little bun with the ends back here. Or actually, I actually think I'm gonna bobby pin them up, like just take them like this and bobby pin them right here. So that way it's a little flatter. I'm gonna do that. Put it on and then I'll probably do my edges after, just so they don't get messed up when I put it on. It's so soft and I'm not seeing any shedding so far, so. Look at the color though, I'm like obsessed. Just scoop that in. Okay, she feels tight. Okay, so there's 3 clips. I wanna make sure I'm getting them in. 1, 2. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Feels very secure, I love that. Okay, all of the clips are in. So I'm just going to tie this up so I can Velcro it in the back. Okay. Who is this? Who are you? You are Tianna 2.0. So this is with no edges out. You can do that, but I'm looking a little crazy, so I'm gonna fix that real quick. I just did my edges real quick, kind of rushed them, but whatever. I'm about to plug my flat iron in and get to styling. I'm so excited. I'm gonna spray some heat protectant in it. They sent me this wig in 22 inches. I love how soft it feels. This is how long it looks straight. Oh yes!
Period.
I'm just gonna spray a little bit of argan oil in it. Y'all, I am so pleased with this hair. Like, it is just so soft. It straightens so well. And it just looks so natural. I have never had a wig before, but this is such a beginner-friendly type wig. You don't have to glue nothing down. You don't have to try and hide a lace or blend a lace in. None of that. You just throw it on, do your edges, style it however you please, and yeah. She looks good and she looks good. So now I'm going to try on some headbands for you guys so you see the full effect. You can wear it with just the black on it. I don't think I will be because I want it to look a little bit more natural. Let's try this one on first. Okay, so we got the cute little polka dot one. Cute, cute. We got the cheetah. It's giving, you know, cheetah girl, cheetah sister. We got the plain white. The gray velour with the gold stars. And last, we got like this beige velour with little pearls on it. You guys have no idea how excited I am because this is about to be my hairstyle for a while till I can grow out my hair again. No heat on my real hair. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple, and most importantly, it's cute. The hair is amazing. It's so soft. It's straightened so well. Honey, yes. Shout out again, Luvme Hair, for sending me this wig. I just love everything about it, especially the color though. I love the color. If you want to check out this headband wig, everything will be linked down below. The direct link to the exact wig. Again, this one that they sent me is in 22 inches. And I also will have a discount code. I will put it on the screen and I'll also link that down below for you guys. Comment down below if you've tried headband wigs and your experience with them. I would love to know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I am back. I appreciate all my supporters, everyone who has stuck with me thus far and subscribed to the channel. Love you guys so much.